Hey, everyone! Is your iPhone getting stuck on the Apple logo after an update or restart? If you face this issue, don't worry. This usually happens when your phone's storage is full, causing the system to crash. But no need to stress. I'm going to show you 4 simple methods to fix this. And the best part is, you won't lose any of your data. Let's dive in. To avoid any potential issues from other methods, let's start with a safe and effective solution, ReiBoot. This is a fully automated tool that's completely secure and ensures you won't lose any data. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and grab a coffee. ReiBoot will handle everything and get your phone back on track. Connect your phone to your computer using a data cable. Launch ReiBoot and select Start Repair, then choose Standard Repair. If your iPhone can't be detected, follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. First, press volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Keep holding it until your iPhone enters recovery mode and ReiBoot can detect it. Follow the on-screen instructions and ReiBoot will quickly download the firmware and repair your phone. Users have reported that by the time they finish their coffee, their phone is up and running again. This method is quick, effective, and convenient, and most importantly, it won't erase your data. If you have important photos or documents, I highly recommend trying this before doing a full reset. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. If your phone is stuck during the reboot process, or it won't fully start up, you can try a force restart. This is a go to fix when the system crashes. Press volume up, then volume down quickly. If the phone is stuck on the Apple logo, press and hold the side button until the screen turns off and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone to restart. If several attempts at a force restart don't work, it might be because your phone's storage is full, which is causing the system crash. If force restarting doesn't help at all, you might be dealing with a completely frozen phone, and it's time to try the next method. Method 3. Let the battery drain out. This one is a bit slower, but it does work. Let your phone's battery fully drain. Whether you're golfing, out at the park, or doing something else, just let your phone sit until the battery runs out. Once the battery is dead, plug it in to charge and restart it. This method might work well if you have some downtime, or if you're doing something like running a marathon and don't mind waiting a little while. Method 4. Update iOS with Apple software. You could also try updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version to fix the issue. Here's how to update. Download and install Apple's devices on your computer, then connect your phone. Put your phone into recovery mode if it's not already. The software will automatically detect your iPhone's status. Click Update. If your iPhone is already running the latest iOS version, it will say No update required. At this point, I suggest using ReiBoot to avoid data loss. If an update is available, just wait for the process to finish, and your phone should be good to go. You can also use iTunes or Finder, as both will work in the same way. And that's it. 4 ways to fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. If you're lucky, a simple restart might do the trick. But if you have a computer handy and want a safer option, ReiBoot is a convenient and efficient solution, and it's recommended by lots of users. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. And if you found another fix that works, feel free to share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.